Jerry Service Center again this morning. Ford Ranger Specialist, BT50, Hyundai and Kia. Want to share a little knowledge with you guys here about them Ranger and BT50 injectors. As I showed you on our previous videos, we're doing some 100,000 on some vehicles, kilometers. We have a Hilux going to line up. Last week we did 100,000. Well, I think week before on a Hilux. We're going to do one again today. We now change to brake rotors on this Mazda 3 new model. These are the local type, brand new brake rotors. So take a look. Right. So on the Rangers and them, we have a leak for the on the tappet cover. A leak on the tappet cover. Alright, so the leak, we've got a lot of leaks for those tappet cover gasket. So what we're doing is we're going to replace this tappet cover gasket. In order to replace the tappet cover gasket, now this is what they call the tappet cover gasket or the rocker cover gasket. This is on top of the engine. If you look, you'll see some oil leak. Right? So the injectors need to be removed. Right? These are the injectors here. Now the injectors, let me share some things with you folks. It carries some seals and some washers. So these are in the bottom of the injector. They call it the copper washer. And that seals, that goes inside the cylinder head. Right, it looks like that. Electrical cables go and connect to that. So remove it, let me show you how this come out. That's how this come out. Now we have to make sure that the washers don't remain inside of the tappet cover. And the washers are good. Yeah, the washers are good. Sometimes if you leak in and you get like a misfire or the engine is idling off, that means the washers is worn. Now on where the washers sit on the cylinder head, sometimes that area get pitted and you have to have a tool to smoothen that way down inside that hole. We don't want to get too technical there, but we place back new washers, and where the injector goes on the cover, it carries some seals. Let me show you, point over the seals there for me. Alright, that's one of the seals, like two of the seal, three. Alright, four. So that seals the oil from coming up. Right, so those seals will have to be replaced. But we recommend those seals to be replaced when we change in the gasket. The technician is in the process of removing the cover. We already removed the injectors so the cover could come out. And we're going to put a new gasket. Let me show you the gasket here. So this is the new gasket, genuine Ford. That's going to go on the cover. We're going to wash out that cover. We're going to put on the new seals as I showed you. New washers, clean out those injectors. And assemble back this this engine. So just the top cover and stop all the leaks on the cover. Right, so oil leaks for the Ranger, give us a call at Jerry Service Center. Now there's a couple of the seals that leak, which is the front crankshaft seal, which we have in stock, and the rear crankshaft seal, and there's some other small seals around on the cover. But we're not doing that on this particular Ranger today. So we just changing the rocker cover. But this is what it entails to change the rocker cover gasket or the tappet cover gasket on the Ford Ranger. This is a 2.2, which is the 4-cylinder. So give us a call. Make sure if you're doing your thing at home, don't forget the washers. We have the washers in stock, and change the seal. It will save you a lot of time, money, instead of going back on that job. So give us a call at Jerry Service Center, 6710713. Any information, any assistance you need, we could advise you accordingly. We share your knowledge, it's not a problem. Or 730-9449. Visit us on Facebook at Jerry Service Center Limited. Jerry Service Center, here at it again. Today we're doing some Monday morning service. Ranger, loss of power on this blue one. A complete service, straight out from the company, straight out from Answer. On this, we changing the rear brakes, oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, AC cabin filter. So complete service. We're also doing a carbon clean on this Ranger, changing fan belts, topping up the coolant, genuine coolant, genuine parts. And on this bad boy off-road here, we this is a loss of power. So we're changing a turbo actuator. For the guys got the loss of power, most of the time this sensor here does go bad on the turbo. So we have this complete with the actuator. So this being replaced, we have the technician replacing that actuator for that loss of power. So professional service, fender covers, seat covers, everything done on those Rangers. We have a wing hood here, we're doing a complete service. We have our next Ranger here, we're putting genuine brake shoes on. And then we have some other services going on. And Nissan, of course, they're doing a water leak. So you can give us a call if you need service parts for Rangers, BT50, any type of SUVs and pickups and 4x4, Kia, Sportage, Sorrentos, all those models, even the cars on the Cerato and the Optima and the Elantra, we have parts for these. But we specialize in Ranger and pickups, Hilux, Vego, 100,000 service, fleet maintenance. Give us a call at Jerry Service Center, 6710713 or 7309449, or visit us on Facebook at Jerry Service Center Limited. All your Ranger parts, BT50 parts.